Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed about the procedure for the computation of standardized death rate. This standardized death rate or STDR is specially used for the computation of death rates of two or more population. So, this is specially used for the comparison of the death rate in two different populations. Now, let us implement this procedure in the given example. Example 1. For the following data, compute standardized death rates in two towns A and B. Which town is healthier? Now, this concept of STDR is used to find the healthy population among the two population which is given in the question. Now, here the data is given which belongs to two different towns A and B. As we all know that in the concept of STDR, one standard population will be given which is a common population for both the towns A and B. As you can see in the given slide, one standard population is given which is in the last column, which is common for both the towns A and B. And for town A and B, their respective population and death rates are given. So now this population and death rates belongs to the particular population either of town A or of town B. But standard population is the common population for both town A and B. Now in order to proceed, as we all know that the first step in the computation of STDR, first step is to find all the ASDR values for both the towns A and B. Now, since there are two different towns, you should find STDR for the first town, you should find STDR even for the second town. Now, since STDR is based on the ASDR value, first write ASDR formula in the solution part. So, solution ASDR equal to number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year, which is multiplied by 1000. Now, after writing the formula, take side heading as town A because here we are finding standardized death rates for the first town. So, take side heading as town A. For town A, draw one more table and copy the data which is relevant to the first town A. Here in the next table, that is draw a table, consider all the age groups which is given in the question. Consider the population of a town A because we are computing STDR for the first town which is A. So, consider the population of town A, consider death rate of town A and then find all the ASDR value for the first town. As we all know that ASDR is the ratio of death to its population which is multiplied by 1000. So, first ASDR value 36 divided by 4000 which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 9. Next value 48 divided by 12,000 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 4. Similarly, compute the other two values. Here, since you are finding ASDR for the first town A, write it as ASDR of A. You are computing ASDR for the first town, so ASDR of A. After computing ASDR value, copy the standard population which is given in the question. The last column data is your standard population, so copy those values. Here, standard population is denoted as capital letter P. So, write it as P inside the bracket and copy the data and find the sum total of standard population, because in the previous video we have discussed about the formula for the computation of STDR, which was standardized death rate for the first population which is equal to sigma P A divided by sigma P, where P is your standard population. So, for the denominator you should consider the sum of P values, sum of the standard population. So, find the sum total of standard population. For this question, your sigma P equal to 15,000. Now, in the last column, find P into A, that is standard population multiplied by the respective ASDR value. So, standard population is denoted as P, A is your ASDR value for the first town. So, for this question, the first value 2000 which is P multiplied by A which is 9. So, 2000 into 9, that is 18,000. Next value, 3000 multiplied by 4, which is 12,000. Similarly, compute the other two values and find the sum total of PA. So find the sigma PA, the total of PA value. For the present question, the total value is 1,66,000. Similarly, take side heading as town B and draw one more table. Consider the data which is of town B. So consider the data of town B and similarly find the values. Here for town B, consider age groups in the first column. Consider the population for town B, which is 3,000, 20,000, 4,000 and 3,000. Consider death rates of town B, that is 30, 100, 48 and 60. After that, find ASDR for the second town. Since you are computing ASDR for the second town, take it as ASDR of B. Now, here the first ASDR value, 30 divided by 3000 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 10. Second value, 100 divided by 20,000 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 5. Similarly, compute the other two values. After that, in the next column, as usual, copy the standard population, which is denoted as capital letter P, and find the sum total of standard population. Since it is same for both A and B, you can copy the total value from the previous table, which is 15,000. So sigma P equal to 15,000. In the last column, you should find PB, because for the previous table you found PA, where standard population was multiplied by the respective ASDR of town A. Here you are finding PB, which is standard population multiplied by ASDR of town B. So find PB values, that is P multiplied by B. First value, 2000 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 20,000. Second value, 3000 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 15,000. Similarly, compute the other two values and find the sum total of PB. Total of PB for the present question, that is equal to 1,87,000. Now, after completing the tables, the next step, you should find the STDR values for the two towns A and B. So, first let us find STDR of town A. So, STDR of town A, STDR of A equal to, the formula is sigma PA divided by sigma P. Here, sigma PA for the present question, it is equal to 1,66,000, sum total of PA, divided by total standard population, that is 15,000. So 1,66,000 divided by 15,000, that is equal to 11.06. Similarly, compute STDR for town B. So STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P, which is equal to 1,87,000 divided by 15,000, that is equal to 12.46. Now, after computing the death rate for town A and B, compare the death rates of town A with that of B. Here, death rate is 11.06 for town A, and for town B, their death ratio is 12.46. As you can see, the death ratio is more in town B than town A. So, since the death rate is more for town B, town A is considered as the healthy population. Since the death ratio is less in town A, that population or that town is considered as the healthy population. Since STDR of A is less than STDR of B, therefore town A is more healthier. Second example, for the following data, compute standardized death rates and comment. Here your question is to find STDR values and comment about the data. Here, in order to find STDR, the first step you should find all the ASDR values. So in order to find ASTR, first give ASTR formula. ASTR equal to number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year, which is multiplied by 1000. Now, as you all know that you should find ASTR value for both the localities A and B, right? So first take side heading as locality A, because you should compute standardized death rate for the first locality as well as for the second locality. So first let us compute the values that is for locality A. So side heading locality A. Now for locality A, consider the data which belongs to locality A. So draw one more table in the solution part. So first column age group, which is given in years. Second column population of locality A, that is 4,000, 9,000, 7,000 and 3,000. Consider the death rates of locality A: 72, 54, 98 and 129. After that, compute ASTR value for locality A, that is calculated based on the formula death divided by population of the respective age group, which is multiplied by 1000. For the first ASTR value, 72 divided by 4000, which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 18. Second value, 54 divided by 9000 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 6. Similarly, compute the other two ASTR value. Here, since you are finding ASTR value for the first locality, take the variable name as ASTR of A. ASTR for the first locality A. Next column, consider the standard population, which is given in the question. As you all know that standard population is the common population value for both the localities A and B. So consider the values. Standard population is denoted as capital letter P, and the values are 6,000, 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. After that, find the sum total of the standard population. So sigma sum of the P value, sigma P equal to 30,000. Next column, find P into A, that is standard population multiplied by the respective ASTR values. The first value, 6,000 multiplied by 18, which is 1,08,000. Second value, 12,000 multiplied by 6, 72,000. Similarly, compute the other two values and find the sum total of PA. So sigma PA equal to 4,64,000. Next one, take side heading as locality B. So consider the data that belongs to locality B. So draw one more table. Consider age groups in the first column, population of locality B, that is 8,000, 13,000, 10,000 and 4,000. Death rates for locality B, 128, 65, 140 and 160. After that, compute ASTR values for locality B. So ASTR is calculated based on the formula death rate divided by the average population for that particular age group multiplied by 1000. That is 128 divided by 8,000 multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 16. Second value, 65 divided by 13,000 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 5. Similarly, compute the other ASTR values. In the next column, copy the standard population from the given question and find the total of standard population, which is equal to 30,000. Last column, find PB, ASTR of population B multiplied by the standard population. So 6,000 multiplied by 16, that is equal to 96,000. 12,000 multiplied by 5, 60,000. Find the other two values, add the PB values and find the sum total of PB. So sigma PB equal to 4,28,000. After that, find STDR for both the localities A and B. So STDR of A equal to sigma PA divided by sigma P, that is equal to 4,64,000 divided by 30,000, which is equal to 15.47. Similarly, find STDR for the second locality B. So STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P, that is equal to 4,28,000 divided by 30,000, which is equal to 14.27. After computing the standardized death rates, compare both the values. Here the death ratio is more for the first locality than the second locality. So death ratio is more for the first locality, which means locality B is considered as the healthy population. Since STDR of B is less than STDR of A, so locality B is your healthy population. Therefore, locality B is more healthier.